Hello! Would you like to know how to test artificial intelligence, machine learning, chatbots, robots, all these things that I together call intelligent machines? Then consider coming to the full-day workshop Testing Intelligent Machines at the Testing Portugal conference. This is Arno B3 and we together will host this full-day workshop and you will get the opportunity to learn all about it. My name is Rik Marselis. I'm a testing expert from the Netherlands. I have been researching testing of intelligent machines for the last 4 years now, and I've had the opportunity to work with a lot of different people on this. In our full day workshop, we'll start with some quizzes, some discussion to get you up to speed with all the terminology and know what it's roughly all about. And then you'll do some practical testing. For example, of Arno B3 and his little fellows. I'll bring some robots with me and you can test them. And you'll test some chatbots. Also, you will make a plan towards how to get your organization to do quality forecasting. Because testing is nice, but wouldn't it be good to fix defects even before any of your users has ever noticed them? So that's what quality forecasting will be about. So on 18 November this year, the Testing Portugal conference is your conference. Come to our full day workshop and we'll greet you there. So, see you on the conference. Bye!